Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix phone app missing on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have turned off restriction mode. To turn off restriction mode, go to your settings app, then tap on this option screen time, then scroll a bit down, then under restriction section, tap on this option. Then make sure content and privacy restriction is turned off. Once you turn it off, check if your problem has been fixed or not. If your phone app is still missing, then second option you can try is go back to your settings app. Then from the home page, tap on general. Now scroll a bit down. After that, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on this option reset home screen layout. Once you tap on it, again tap on reset home screen. And once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.